Hi, this is CB Marketing. I just wanted to do a video on Level 1 Network's back office. This video is about the blog dashboard. As you can see, I've already posted 7 blogs that have been published, and you can see my avatar has been activated. Social sharing has been activated from Twitter to LinkedIn to Google to Facebook. Blog comments has been activated with Livefire, and Google Analytics has been activated as well. So as you take a look at the posts I've done, okay, here's one I did today, okay, March 13th. And as you page down and take a look at these, each one of these has a separate link, and you can edit or delete. You can see some of them have already had 2 tweets, 1 tweet, 3 tweets. And it's very easy to come in here and edit one. If you just click on the edit button, and here it is. You've got your edit to edit your post. The post has been set to draft status, okay, due to possible editing. So the post category, online marketing tips. And my title of my post is How I Market Homepage Pays. And the post URL, if you just click this box here, it'll take whatever you have up here in the title of the post and put it here so it's search engine friendly. Posting your meta description and then your keywords, okay, up to 20 keywords. Now, the other thing that's unique about this blogging platform, they have this SEO thing here. And if I click on open, when you start your blog post, it asks for a targeted keyword. And I put in homepage pays. First related keyword, capture page. Second related keyword, level 1 network. Okay, so if I just activate these green arrows over here, targeted keyword, okay? Title, only use targeted keywords once. You want to make sure you have the green check marks there. If it wasn't used properly, you'd have a red X instead. But what this does is help create a very high SEO type blog that the search engines are going to search and find, you're going to get higher rankings because of it. Okay. Now the other thing it does is, because this is in draft mode and I spaced over the part up above to turn those green arrows on, right now the density is 0, 0, 0 on all of those. But if I come down here and take a plus mark, or just take a space over there, you can see the density has gone to green on each one of these. It's recommended 5 to 7% density for your targeted keyword. Okay. This will go up or down based on how many times you use the term in this example of homepage pays. First related keyword was used once, as was level 1 network. And down below it talks about 5 to 7% for targeted keywords and the combined average of 2 to 3% for the related keywords. So you can see I'm 6.34% density for my targeted keyword, and you're supposed to be between 5 and 7, so it's green. The combined density for the first related keyword and the second related keyword should be between 2 and 3%. I'm at 2.62. So again, both of those are green. And that is what makes this blogging network separate from some of these others. It helps you with the SEO setup. Okay, so I'm just going to come down here and click update post. So that's now published again. It's not in draft mode. But when you do your post originally, okay, let's create a new post. And as you come down here and enter that all in, and you open up your SEO to type in your targeted keywords, what you're going to want to do is make sure these green these red X's turn to green, and then turn the SEO scope off. Just close it here and write your blog. Okay? And then when you're finished with it, come back up here and open it up to take a look at where your density for all of these three are. And if they're within the percentages, fine. If not, then you know you've got to either add more verbiage to your blog or add or reduce the number of times those terms are used within the blog itself. So it's almost like a game, if you will, to add more keywords or delete them, or reduce them. Like in some of my posts, my targeted keyword was homepage pays. So instead of using the term homepage pays, I'll use HPP, and that is not counting as a targeted keyword because it doesn't have the total homepage pays. It's just HPP. So you can play around with it and make sure your densities are all green, along with the X's up above here that have turned green. And then you're ready to hit publish, and that's down here. It's right at the bottom. But when you hit publish, or you can actually preview it or put it in, save it in as a draft. But once you hit publish, it'll actually bring up another screen that says, do you want to ping this site to 50 search engines? And it'll automatically send it out to 50 search engines for them to crawl your blog post and start ranking your blog post in the network. Thanks, and have a great day.